Welcome to the Philanthropy Hercules video number 2, Choosing a Charity. Once again, in this video, you are going to be asked to reflect on some questions. And so if this takes you more than one class, just remember that it's play pause it, it's going to save your progress, and then the next class you can just click that resume button. In this step, you're going to be choosing your charity. But before we get to that, let's do some reflection so we can make sure that we can choose a charity that you're going to be passionate about. So, the first question I have for you is, what do you know about charitable foundations? Go ahead and reflect on that right now. So, the dictionary definition of charitable foundation is an organization that is created and supported with money that people give in order to do something that helps society. The next thing I want you to think about is, what is a personal passion? What does personal passion mean to you? So, what's the definition? Go ahead and reflect on the definition of personal passion. So, the dictionary definition of personal passion is a powerful or compelling emotion or feeling about a specific topic. Did that match what you defined personal passion? On your worksheet, I have a space for you to list your personal passions, and I want you to list at least 4. What are some things that you are passionate about? Are you really passionate about sports, animals, the environment, kids, the elderly? The sky's the limit here. Just list 4 things that you are really passionate about in your life. Go ahead and pause the video and write your personal passions on your worksheet. So now that you've thought about charitable organizations and what your personal passions are, let's put those 2 things together. You are going to do a little bit of research and you're going to choose the charity that you want to use for your project. So I have a link right here to some nonprofits in Fort Collins. And you can even filter by issue. So if you're excited about animals, I've actually got that filter on there. If you're excited about the environment, you could search for that. There's different options in here if you want to narrow it down. And then you can certainly click on the particular charity to learn a little bit more about them. So there's going to be an overview in here. There might be a video that talks about that particular organization and what they do. And then you can always click your back arrow to get back to your list. So go ahead and look around, take some time, pick something that lines up with your passions that you really want to do something with. And then you're going to list the charity name here on your worksheet, and you're going to raise your hand, and we're going to just talk about it real quick and make sure that we agree on the charity that you have chosen. And I will sign off on it as long as it seems like it's an appropriate charity for you to choose. So once you have the teacher sign off for your charity, then you are done with this step.